How to join audio clips in WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad Audio Editor on your computer. Next, open the audio files that you want to join by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply pressing Ctrl+O for quick access. Once the files are loaded into the editor, go to the Home tab located on the top toolbar. Look for the Join button among the available options. Click on the Join button and from the drop-down menu, select Batch Join or simply press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. A new window will open where you can add multiple audio files that you want to merge. Select and click Add for the specific files you want to join, or use the Add All option to include all the loaded audio clips. Once all files are added, arrange them in the desired playback order by dragging them with your mouse. After setting the correct order, click on the Join button at the bottom of the window to start the merging process. WavePad will then combine the selected audio clips into one single file. When the joining process is complete, the merged audio will appear in the editor, ready for you to preview, edit, or save. And that's it. Now you know how to join audio clips in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.